Wait. Which one's better? What? No, I'm looking for lotion, but like, which one's better though?
They're all about the same.
Yeah, mood is good. The boy is saving this way done for the video. And you can see what I got my hand Nerf gun. Me and my boys behind the camera finna go shoot some strangers, as you already read the title of this video. So, hey, bullet stacked. It's a wrap, I'm telling you. Excuse me. Can you help with something real quick? This. You know if there's a better one you can buy it, or like is this the only one you got? Oh, these.
What is this?
Oh no. All right. Thank you, though.
So we're here in this aisle? Yeah, you're right. Okay. Huh? Lotion. Wait. Which one's better? What? No, I'm looking for lotion, but like, which one's better though?
They all about the same. But it just shoot me.
Oh my god.
It depends. What do you want? You want body cream, body lotion? What do you need?
This is perfect.
Okay.
This is travel size, so I'm about to go out of town. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm on bucket. Wait,
Hold on.
What?
Oh, the power button?
What?
Bruh, you didn't see the power just now?
No?
It just like went on and off.
It just in store?
Yeah, and it's...
I mean, I saw the lights come on in the street lights.
Alright, we're gonna do this.
Oh wait, yeah, I saw it, yeah.
This is how I do it.
You're so... Hey, bro, alright, I'm about to run. I don't care. No, bro, I can't do this. Hell no, bro. Bro, I can't. Wait, you know what's closer? Hey, everyone should go that way. It's closer.
Oh yeah, that's true. But once we got
Yeah. Alright, bro. Alright. That was him. That was his dumb ass. Oh my fuck. Hey, y'all should check though. Alright, bro, I'm about to run.
we gotta get in the car super quick. Like even 1 second after we can get really wet.
Bro, hey, that's what I'm saying. Hey, by the way, we're gonna have a
I'm about to record this shit. What the
we're about to go to another store because this one was a little weak. There was nobody there, so I'll catch y'all when we get there. If we survive. Only if we... Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's done. Bro. Yeah, that's
I think I'm going out
Yo.
That car go ahead and come with the car like this.
Yo, please do it.
It's probably gonna go in the middle. It's probably gonna go in the middle.
Bro, look at that. Wait, did it hit? Yeah, I'm gonna stay inside. What are we gonna do?
You ain't gonna do it.
I wanna do it. Bro, good text though on this though.
I'll do it.
You won't.
Let me see.
Wait, is it? Oh.
nigga tricked down to the brain, bro. I swear. you see this, right? You saw that, right?
That was not me, bro.
You saw
That was.
I'll give you a dog if you slip.
I'll get some candy to snitch. Oh, look at it right here.
I know, I said the same thing. Shit. Cause ain't no way.
Yeah. Bro, my car's just drowning, bro. My car's just drowning. This is bad. Really bad. Yo. Bro. Bro, wait, do I have a...
What?
You know what? I don't care about my job.
What?
I'm gonna use this.
I think I got mine.
Wait,
The
towel?
way you light it towel. Something.
Whoa, what the... And she just casually walking.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna bully her ass.
Man, that's crazy. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I got this towel.
Bro, everything is soaking wet.
Damn, even my watch.
It's still working?
Yeah, it's still working.
Nah. Hey. 20 lights, bro? We're going in the store with this.
Oh my fucking god.
And we are shooting people with this, I promise you. 20 lights. 20 lights. He got a sniper, and I got this. 20 lights. I promise you, we're going in there. I'm telling you. 20 lights though, 20 lights. Alright, y'all, now we're at Sam's Club. And we only got a couple bullets left in our Nerf guns, so we're gonna have to make a useful. Oh my god. We're gonna have to make a use of that Nerf gun. Alright, yeah, we're gonna have to make a use of that Nerf gun bullet, bro. And actually hit somebody. Alright. Alright, I'll see y'all inside. Yo, this guy's trying to get a girl snap or Instagram, whatever, and she's walking away, and this man looks lost. It's hilarious as hell. It is hilarious. Where's she at? Where's she at?
It's like a recording now.
Where's she at? Bro, dude, I should have recorded earlier. It was mad funny. Yo, he looked lost, bro. He looked lost. Bro. Bro. This man is scared, bro. Oh my god. It went from a shooting at a stranger's prank with Nerf guns to this. Hey, y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment what other videos I want to see next, because Constant Brown is back. I'm telling y'all. Back-to-back videos every day. I'm gonna try. What happened?
But she kept fucking looking. Like she already know what I'm about to do.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Oh god, that's another one over there.
Where?
Over there. I don't even know her. She look too.
Well, my bad. It's a short video, but I got y'all with tomorrow's banger. I'm telling y'all, Constant Brown is back. Not back, but it's here. Subscribe to his channel. You don't know he don't got videos on that channel, but subscribe just in case. Now just comment down below what y'all want to see, and I got y'all. I promise you, I got y'all. Just let me know. DM me, whatever. Comment the next video idea you want me to see, because we already got a plan for tomorrow's video, and it's gonna be, we might get kicked out for, not even kicked out, but you'll see in the next video. See.